Today, I'm going to go over a couple really handy tools to help you expose your screens at home. I know how frustrating this process can be, so hopefully this video makes it a little easier for you. Let's get into it. I'll start with the exposure calculator. This will help make sure that you're exposing your screens correctly every time. It looks like this. It's a small piece of film with different opacities starting at almost see-through to totally opaque. According to this step wedge calculator, you're supposed to get a number 7 when you wash out your screen. Anything under a 7 and your screen is underexposed. So you'll need to expose it for a little bit longer. If you get anything over a 7, your screen is overexposed, which means you should cut back on your exposure time. Keep in mind that the opacity of your transparency might not match the exact opacity of the number 7 on your step wedge calculator, so use this as more of a reference. The second tool I'm going to talk about today is our handy exposure light. This is a 30-watt UV LED light that is adjustable and takes up very little space in your studio. This is one of my favorite tools I have in my studio. It's super easy to assemble and the adjustable arm goes up to 23 inches. It's also really easy to use with a simple on and off switch right here on the cord and really helps with fast exposure times. Let's set it up. First, attach the arm to the table you'll be using. Then secure the second arm and the light.